My name's Camden, based in Kent in Tunbridge Wells. We are at the Samuel Leeds Buy, Refurb, Refinance Lease Option Agreement course today. It's 4 days. It's absolutely blown my mind. I've loved every second of it. I'm on the academy, correct. I've been in the academy for just over a year, actually. I just renewed because it's that valuable. Yeah, absolutely loved it. Yeah, it's been really good. Like 2 months ago, I think it was my record month. Made £12,500 profit in the 1 month, which is the same amount as the academy. So earning that in 1 month is just crazy. I had no experience in property other than a previous course by Samuel Leeds, which did help me quite a lot. But I just thought I needed the extra help, the extra support, and that's exactly what the academy brought. Exactly that, yeah. And now I'm just helping investors with big pockets, that are time poor, pretty much earn 1 year's salary by doing a flip deal once a year in the southeast of England. So, I'm helping people, they're helping me at the same time, and it's a win-win. Woo! The energy, yeah, don't get me started. No, the energy and everyone in the room's amazing. Like all of the employees here, or they're all contributing to the good vibes. Everyone's helping each other. There's no better place to be. There really isn't. I love it here. This is such a good place to start. Like all along here, there's people doing what most people don't want to do. They're making the phone calls. They're getting help. They, got guidance. I wish that I started years ago. I kick myself, every now and again for not starting when I first thought about it, because it takes a bit of time, but well worth it. And like the best time to start is definitely now.